would then flow down by means of gravity. Now they either caught rainwater out on the roof or had a windmill out back to supply the water. The room down at the end here is the tower room, and was used as a sitting room or an extra bedroom if necessary. A table in the middle of that. And there. Then up on this wall deck further, put this porthole or window in. That way the light would shine through that onto the stairs that we came up. You can see it a lot easier when you go back down. The door above that leads to the store. To the left, just inside the doors, is a sedan chair. Now, 250 years ago, porters would get on either side of that and carry finely dressed ladies or gentlemen through the streets of London or Paris. That way they wouldn't get their clothes dirty.
One of these stations the kids use along the highway, way on the school bus.
The furniture is in a bar, came from China, and the brass heater in the middle is a charcoal heater, and it came from India. To your left in that room, there's a green chest. That's called a Chinese spirits chest. You see, the Chinese found a good luck to have spirits in there. So originally it had a steep heat. This piece in the castle. It's 800 years old.
These gas lights, I suppose they get really car lights. I suppose they were in the basement.
Yeah. Yeah. Inside, you can see a marble mantelpiece. That's a false fireplace that was used as a serving board or a sideboard for the food. From this far end, then, you can see the hatch or dumbwaiter much easier, and also the intricate carving done on the fireplace. When you finish viewing the library, that would end your tour, and I can let you out this door here.